DJ Greg EC here from the DJ Entertainment School. We're going to talk about the anniversary dance, or it's also called the married couples dance, or maybe the generations dance. Do you want to recognize all of the married couples at your reception and make a big deal of the longest married couple that's there? Well, then the anniversary or the married couples dance is a great way to do that. So, how do you do it? Starting with the bride and groom on the dance floor, invite all of the newlyweds, those people that are married 1 year or less, to join the bride and groom on the dance floor. Have the rest of the people give them a nice big round of applause. Then, I want you to wait about 15 to 20 seconds. So the next announcement you're going to make after that is asking all of those people that have been married, say, 5 years or less, to get up and escort their significant other to the dance floor. Make sure you have everybody give them a nice big round of applause. Wait another 15 to 20 seconds and invite those that are married 10 years or less out onto the dance floor. Once again, continue by having the people give them a nice big round of applause, and continue doing this now for every 10 years, every 15 to 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, depending upon how long your song is. But do it for every 10 years until you have reached the oldest married couple. Another benefit of this dance is that your dance floor is now filled with all of the married couples in the room. Once you find out who that couple is, make a big deal about it and have everybody give them a nice big round of applause and let them know that they are the longest married couple in the room. So that's the first way. The second way is to fill the dance floor first. So what you're going to do is you're going to invite all of the married couples out onto the dance floor, including the bride and groom. Once that is done, you start to eliminate those that have been married. For example, you start off by saying all of those married 1 year or less, except the bride and groom, obviously. Ask them to please leave the dance floor and have everybody give them a round of applause as they do so. Wait about 20 seconds, 25, 30 seconds, and then ask those that are married 5 years or less to leave the floor. And then 10 years or less, and then so on and so forth. Every 20 to 30 seconds, add 10 years. You can continue up the line, as you can easily narrow it down to the two longest married couples when they're left, where you will then be able to find out the longest married couple by asking both of them. Once you find that out, once again, make a big deal about this and have everybody give them a nice big round of applause. Some good songs to play for this would be Kenny Rogers, Through the Years, Wind Beneath My Wings by Bette Midler, At Last by Etta James, or even an oldie but goodie, The Anniversary Waltz. All right? Invite the bride and groom to dance with the longest married couple. Okay? After you have your winner and you play this special spotlight song. So the bride and groom are going to dance with the couple. Okay? And then halfway through, invite everybody else to join in. This is a great way to commemorate all of the married couples at your wedding. So once again, I'm DJ Greg EC from the DJ Entertainment School. Please subscribe so you can check out all of our latest videos and hit the like button. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at DJ Entertainment School. Thanks again. Do not forget to always pay it forward and always take it to the next level.